Hey guys, the Contraposter Shop here, and today we are going to show you how to make this awesome ring with wood, resin, and stainless steel. Let's get started.
So we've had this piece of burl wood sitting around for a while, and we thought it would be perfect for this project. We prepare the piece by removing the bark from it. If you don't do this, the wood could easily separate from the resin. Don't be shy to scrape it with a metal brush.
When the slab's done, we are ready to make the mold. It's made with foam core and tuck tape. Don't worry, it don't need to be pretty.
We chose casting resin for it, because some tabletop resin can be a little soft and hard to work with.
We take this moment to ask you something. In our video, some people tell us in the comment that they don't like the music choice. It's really hard to please everybody, so this time the song will be from the Wintergatan group. It's from the guy on YouTube making a marble machine. We will put the link in the video description if you want to take a look.
For the core of the ring, we chose a stainless nut in the right size. Any other nuts would rust and tarnish over time, and are not good materials for a ring. Just hit it with a flame to help soften the metal and file the corner to make your life easier. On this lathe, it's easier to use carbide burr with a rotary tool. By the way, if you want to know how we did this 3D printed lathe, go take a look. The burr is perfect for the job. It's very aggressive on the metal, but the rounded tip wasn't the perfect choice because it gave a round edge where we wanted to cut it. You'll see that we use a file to take it off.
The machining is done for the stainless core. After cutting it, we polished it and gave it its final form with sandpaper. It's now comfortable to wear and the inside is amazing.
Now let's give this ring its beauty. The wood is now ready and fully cured. With the help of a hole saw, we carefully chose a place to cut it so that we can see the beautiful wood patterns and have enough resin.
We give a few coats of CA glue to seal the ring and give it a protective layer. We can now give it a glossy finish with a range of sandpaper. And now, the final result. With a bit of imagination, you can create a variety of designs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to see our future project. See you soon!